The Coimbra Group is a network of European universities. It has been created in 1985. For that reason, it is the oldest network in Europe that gathers 39 universities. They have similar profiles. They are multidisciplinary, comprehensive universities from the European landscape. They are all research and education led, and they are among the top universities in the world.
So we have just finished a very inspiring panel on women at universities. It is inspiring topic, and it's also very interesting that we don't discuss similar topic men at university. Why? It isn't surprising for us that so title of our conference is Women at University. But it means that there are a lot of challenges as far as gender equality is concerned at our academic environment.
Starting from the figures of women's presence in university leadership, which in themselves are not very good, about 14% of women rectors in Europe, but also looking a little bit behind what those figures actually mean, and trying to analyse how women in university leadership can help to promote the presence of more women in university leadership in the future. It's been a wonderful conference. It's been very, very well organised by the local hosts in a wonderful university in a wonderful city. The theme of the conference has also been a very important theme. Women in universities, as I was saying, one of the figures we looked at yesterday in our panel was there are only 4 women rectors in a network of 39 leading European universities, so the figure is low, so the theme is important, and there's been a great deal of interest in the theme, and I think it's a theme which the network is now going to continue to work in. So yes, the conference has been a great success in all senses.